Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 5:46 p.m. and today is 29th of October 2020. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst, chief mentor and founder at StockPro, partner with Zerodha, Upstocks, Fires and Asta Trade. So welcome to my channel, and here again I'm back with my research, and there are some beautiful stocks that I've found. And before I go on to that, you can just reach out to my channel by any of these means. You can follow me on my Telegram channel, on the website, Facebook, Twitter. This is my office, my official Twitter handle. I have my personal Twitter handle as well, where I keep posting my research. You can call up and get in touch with my team on this phone number, and you can follow me on the YouTube. So before I proceed, I just want to show you the my Twitter handle and how are the research that I've posted. So you can start from the very beginning, right? When I started with Dr. Reddy's, and that was my almost the first research that I had posted. So here is where I started with. Uh, Somewhere here, this is how it is. I started with Dr. Reddy's, right? And you can see how Dr. Reddy's blasted up, right? It just touched the sky almost. And now yesterday I have posted three stocks, right? So I've given the different targets that you could expect. It superseded all those targets. And now I have yesterday given three stocks, right? Thirumalai Chemicals, I've given Electro Steel, I have given Mahindra CIE. So this has not given a breakout. Electro Steel has given a breakout, right? I'll just show you. And Electro Steel has given a breakout, right? And I've given everything, and somewhere I can show you. I have posted Electro Steel has given actually a breakout. So see here, this is again I've posted Persistent Systems, right, which also gave a breakout yesterday, and today it gave a good move up. And similarly on the, I've just written here only no breakout yet, whereas Thirumalai Chemical is 5.7% up, and this stock, which is another one I have given, Electro Steel, is 10.5% up, right? So again, this is my Twitter handle. You can follow me here. This is my Twitter handle. You can follow me here, and you can get stocks in a day in advance. So some of the stocks that I have got today on my radar, let me just put the marks on them, otherwise I'll mess up. And here, right? So I have these three stocks. I'm going to discuss with them. So this first one is Astron, right? Astron paperboard, right? So what something I want to explain you here. This is how the market is, right? This is how the stock is. Stock is almost in a horizontal range, right? I would rather like to mark it here at this place. Stock is almost horizontal, but its RSI is slowly becoming stronger. Now this is a range, if it breaks this range, which is 47.8 or so, it will give you a clear breakout, right? It will be a clear breakout, and target for me, at least from here, 10 to 15 to 20% is minimum I will be expecting, right? So about 48 or 50, above 50 we can buy, and our minimum target is 60. When 20% target will be minimum 60. If it crosses 60, then 70, 80 can also be seen. So that's my first stock for today. And if you want to see its levels, you can just come back here. I will be giving, the entry, the stop loss, the target, everything will be given over here. Then the next stock that I have on my radar is KPIT, right? Almost a similar kind of a scenario. If you have a look at the RSI, slowly, gradually, it's becoming so positive, right? Every time it's making a higher low, right? And this was a consolidation zone. If you have a look at it, this and Persistent had the similar kind of a constitution, right? Above this place, above 119, we can have a very clear entry into this. So let me just show you how Persistent looked before it gave a breakout. So you will see that it's exactly the same thing that was there in Persistent. So see here, here is Persistent. Look at it, exactly same scenario. Price rejection from this level, and then consolidation for some days, and then breakout, right? So I can see the similar thing happening in KPIT. So price rejection from this higher level, now consolidation, and RSI looks very, very strong above this place 119. We can expect a good breakout in this particular stock. So it's if you want to look, I mean, just quickly, if I could add exact stop loss and the targets I'll be giving on Twitter, so please come on Twitter. But if I have to give you here itself, then about 10% will be my stop loss, and my target will be, let me just have a look. It's going to be in KPIT, it's because it's going to be breaking its high, its lifetime high. I'm definitely expecting, that's what I can see from here. There's not much of data. I'm sure this is not a very, very old stock. So it's not a very old stock. It's pretty so where we stand right now is actually a weekly and a daily breakout. So above 119, I always believe a 10% to 10 to 20% return can always be expected from this particular stock, which is KPIT. Why? Because it's going to be breaking its lifetime high, right? So that's my perception about this particular stock, because see here exactly where it made a high in the past, that's where it stands, and today it looks very promising. The last stock that I have on my radar is Matrimony, right? Matrimony is also looking very, very good because this is a consolidation zone again for this particular stock. So this is a zone where stock has been just refusing to go below, right? This is a place which this stock doesn't want to go below at all. Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, and then now the kind of pulses that are coming in, that the kind of buying that is coming in is a very good buying, right? So if it breaks this high, which is 680, I'm expecting it to surely go till about 750 or so. At least 10% movement I'm definitely expecting. And if it breaks the 10% barrier, 750, if it breaks, then 850 can be our target, and once 850 is broken, then 900 could be our target. So these are the targets that I have for Matrimony. But if you want to really have the correct stop loss and the targets, please follow me here on my Twitter handle, where I give you like this stop loss entry T1, T2, T3, and hope to see you there. And these are the three stocks: Astron, Paper and Board, KPIT, and Matrimony, right? These are the stocks that I have filtered out, and I'm sure you are all present on my YouTube channel. This is my channel where I keep coming and talking to you about powerful stocks. I don't know what stocks have given here. Let me have a look, and we'll see how the stocks stand. Where do they stock? Where are these stocks standing? So let's see what were the stocks that I discussed on this particular day. Persistent, right? Persistent and Sumitomo Chemicals. Let me just have a look. See, Persistent you have seen, right? Persistent I have posted here as well that it has given a breakout, good, beautiful breakout. And I've just recently tweeted this is the breakout Persistent has given. See, this is Persistent breakout, right? Let me just have a look at Sumitomo Chemicals, what is happening in Sumitomo. So Sumitomo should be here. Let me just add it up here. Sumitomo Chemicals, right? So where is Sumitomo Chemicals? Has it given a breakout? It has not given a breakout, right? Our breakout is above this place, right? 316 or 300 and breakout is above this place only, 320, above 320. So still there is no breakout. So that is the power of the stocks that we talk about, right? I'm sure I must have talked about Sumitomo Chemicals. So you can follow me, right? Sumitomo has not given a breakout yet. So here, see, I've given a boundary at 316. We will be buying above 316 only, and that still stands correct, right? It has not given a breakout. 316, 317 is where we're going to be taking a entry into this particular stock. So 3 stocks of today. Astron, very good. Please, it's just a 47 rupees stock. KPIT, beautiful breakout consolidation, and the way price is shifting up is looking very, very good. And as I told you, this is it's weekly, or rather I would say lifetime high. And when a lifetime high is broken, you can expect good movement in the stock. And this is Matrimony, which is also looking extremely good. So these are my 3 stocks. Take care, guys. See you on the Twitter. See you on my Telegram channel, where we do give one stock or the other for trading. Just not many stocks, but yeah, we do give a few stocks. So take care. Bye bye. See you soon tomorrow, or maybe in a day or two. See you tomorrow in the live trading session. We're conducting a live trading session, me and Bhavni. So please join us there. Bye bye. Take care.